Well, you drink it. Ready? Go pee. Go pee. Go.
I need to go outside.
And go. Hurry up. Don't let him in. Hurry, go. Get through the door. Shut the door. Okay? Ready, go pee. You okay? He'll be fine. Watch out.
I didn't hear you. I just heard you doing this.
I know he's going to dig. Ready. Guess he really did have to pee. Go pee. Go pee. Go pee. Go pee. That's why I know him, because it's in the background. Dum-dum. Watch out.
He is a dum-dum.
Don't get in the video.
I'm just talking in the video.
Well, I don't want to talk in the video. I'm gonna show, don't tell him to stop. Just let him do what he has to do. Do not tell your mom. I'm gonna show him. I'm gonna show her this video, okay?
I don't want to tell him he's taking.
Huh?
I don't want to tell him he was taking.
Now I'll let her know what he was doing in this video. Just don't look.
It's like a security
Just
camera.
don't look at him. Look at him in here.
It looks like it's. It looks like it's
Look
a
in here.
security camera.
Look in here. Because I don't want him.
It looks like he's right there, but when
he's
like in here, it looks like he's way far away.
He's eating something. Let him. Just let him be. What is he doing now? If you can't see his face, you can look out. You can look off the security camera. Or you can look like this. But when he turns around and looks back, you look at that, his face, you can. He knows we're looking at him, but. Watch, he'll start digging. No, he's eating the grass, actually.
This dog is crazy. Whoa.
Whoa. What is that?
I don't know what it is.
Ah!
Must be a fly.
Yeah, it's a fly. No, don't bang on the window. Don't listen. No, stop. That's why I said don't bang on the window.
Funniest dog ever!
No. I hate your dog and be like,
Funniest dog ever!
Drink it out of the day. Drink it up like water.
He wants a sip of water.
Because it's ice cube. Get it? Ice cube? Because it's ice in there. No? You don't get it?
Yeah, I don't get it.
It has ice cubes in it and 4 corners and it It melted. I want to see him dig. Just don't look in here. Look in here. Don't look at that.
Well, remember when he jumped off after banging on it? And he was way far away. When he's way far away, we could bang on it, and then he'll come running all the way over here.
Wait.
I think he's starting to dig.
He's gonna eat.
He's eating, just letting you know, the people who are watching this.
People aren't watching this yet. I'm gonna post it on YouTube.
Yeah.
And see how many hits it gets.
Don't say that, man.
What? Hits it gets?
Yeah.
Why?
Then people will be like, oh, she said we're going to give her hits. No way. She'll just pretend